Hi, so today I will be presenting you my About Me project. So here we go. First of all, my childhood. So as you can see, there's my dad, my mom, and my sister over here. Um, so we are a very, very close family. I'm very grateful for that because it's very nice. We can do a lot of activities, and my parents are very like supportive, and I really love them. They amazing parents, and my sister too. But sometimes she could be annoying as every sister or brother in the world, I think. Um, anyways, when I was younger, we were closer than now because, um, mostly when my sister wasn't there because I had all the attention, but, yeah, that's me when I was a kid. Before high school, I went to Charles Bruno, the primary school in Brossard. It's close to my home, my house. So it was a great experience. I think it was just fun because when we are young, we just do like fun stuff, and yeah, it was very nice. And I met amazing people that I will be talking about uh, in a minute. That's my childhood cat. He passed away when he was 18 years old in 2016. So, he grew up with me. I mean, I grew up with him. So it was kind of hard, but, things happen. So it's okay. Um, so when I said I met amazing people, so that's my best friend that I met in Charles Bruno. We are still best friends now, but she moved to another country, so we can't really see each other, and it's kind of hard. But we still talk every day. Um, so going to the Rocher, so I mean, it was a nice experience, but sometimes it was kind of hard because it's a phase that we discover a lot about life, about ourselves. So sometimes it was kind of hard, but we learn like we learn from it, and we just like grow up more up with this stuff, and I think it's like a good lesson to like yeah, but. I really think that it's a positive event in my life that happened, and yeah, I'm very grateful for all these years that I spent here. I made new friends, I met people, so it was very nice. Now about this year's English class. So for me, English class was kind of difficult because I wasn't used to talk in English, and my first language is French. So sometimes it was difficult to participate in class, and yeah. But this year, I think it's very different because I think uh, it's not all about like the rules in English, and we just do stuff um, that can be useful. For example, the introspection class from Mr. Verdi. I think it's very nice to to do this class, and yeah, that's one example. And my favorite part of this year was, I think it was Change the World, because, it's something I learned from, and I really tried to reduce, for example, my meat consumption. So, it's something that we can learn from, and I really loved it. So more about my personal life. So you can see all my friends. These are my best friends. I love them so much. We spent a lot of time together, and mostly this summer because some people I met this year, and I'm grateful for that. On the left, we have my new kitten. So we bought him like in early September 2020, and now he's about 9 months. And yeah, he's very cute. My sports, um, as you can see, there's volleyball and soccer. They like they were very, very important for me. Now I don't play anymore. But it was something that helped me a lot to, like, just think about other stuff than school or whatever. So mostly for soccer I played, I think like 7 years or ish, something like that. And in this team I played like 3 years, so it was a great experience. We were very, very close as a team, and we did a lot of tournaments. And um yeah, it's very nice. And my volleyball team, so every year we change teams, so sometimes there's people that you didn't talk, but it was very, very nice as a sport. And it's mostly because of Zurich that I started playing it, because I wasn't interested at all. um but yeah, I did 4 years of volleyball, and it was a great experience. My ambitions. Um, so for me, I always say that everything happens for a reason, but it's very, very important for me to work hard and to help other people. So, like, good things could happen after that. So my point here is, like, if I don't work hard, I will not get like the things I want. So it's very important to work hard for me. And I want to be a nurse in the future. So, it's, yeah, it's my life ambitions, my dreams. So as I said, it's very important for me to help other people. So I one option that I really, really consider is to be an humanitarian nurse, so I can, another dream is to travel the world and to discover a lot of culture and countries. Um, so it's like the dream job, if I can say like that. Um, but yeah, that's my dreams for now. Others. So as I said earlier, my parents and my sister and I, we are very close as a family. So they brought us everywhere, and I'm so grateful for that. So when they were going to some place like this is Sunshine, I think, and California, um, they brought us. So it's amazing life experiences that I did with my family. And from that, I think it's where my passion started for like traveling and discovering new things. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening to me.